What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. In this episode, we're going to be removing the quarter panel from the M2 and repairing all the inner metal and all the inner structural pieces to get the new quarter panel on. But before that, we got to strip the interior pieces because we got to get this rear glass and the side glass pulled out. After that, we can advance to pulling off the rear bumper and the tail light. If you guys are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and let's get this project rolling. Alright guys, so after a couple of minutes of getting all this interior disassembled, we got the majority of it all stripped. And now we're actually going to hop on the rear glass and this quarter glass. I got this molding off here and this one seems to be with the glass one piece. Alright guys, this is going to be my first time cutting out glass in general in any car, so wish me luck. I hope this goes well. I don't want to pay another about $300–400 if I do break any glass, but hopefully all goes smooth and let's hop right into it. No, I'm holding it right now. Oh, dude, that is big. Woo! Look at that, dude. That was so sick.
Not bad at all.
All right, so we got the rear one out, and now we're gonna move on to this quarter glass, which is actually harder than the rear one. So if I pass level 1, hopefully I can pass level 2. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see, the glass is taped up here because it is now removed and I was scared of it falling. I was super anxious and scared because this is my first time actually pulling glass, and guess what, everything's successful. We just saved ourselves about $300 just for the removal of it, and then the installation part, we're gonna worry about that later. Right. Not even that, I'm capable of it. The fact that I can just proceed without having to wait for anyone, dude.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah. Alright guys, let's get that rear bumper, tail light, and start cutting this quarter panel. And don't forget that little piece right over there, that side skirt. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I got the car in the air. I took the rear wheel off. That way it would be much easier access to cut under here and take the seam seal off here. Also a little tip, I cut the old seam seal off over here. That way when I put the new quarter skin on, I seam seal and then I glue this on top. That way it replicates this OEM seal. And everything is stripped, everything is masked off. We're officially ready to cut this quarter panel off and start repairing this inner structural pieces. Let's get right onto it. Alrighty guys, so this is the progress we have gotten so far. We cut off this bottom section of the quarter panel right by the rear bumper right over here, and we started working our way under the wheel well all the way through. We started folding all this back. Now the quarter panel is loose. We are continuing working by the rocker panel, and we are reaching close to a section where I have to cut it. So right now I'm just gonna measure it roughly, and I'm gonna cut it, and then when the new quarter panel lays on, I'm actually gonna do all my precision measuring. But I wanna cut it, that way I can continue getting all these spot welds removed, and then we can work our way up here, cut a line here, and on the quarter panel over there. Alright, so we got the majority of the quarter panel removed. All this section is loose, as you can tell. I have sliced it right over here by the rocker panel, sliced it by this quarter glass, and sliced it by the rear glass. All of these slices are temporary. I'm going to be doing final measurements and cutting it exact to where I need it once I get this quarter panel fully off. But right now, to make it easier for me to work on this little piece over here, I'm going to cut this quarter panel from here, directly here, remove that big piece, and get to work on this one. Or I'll probably cut it like this. That way I get this section all nice and neat and not damage the internal panel. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, the quarter panel is off. As you guys saw over there, I just cut it right here by the tail light up here. That way I have much easier access to this piece right here. And yeah guys, quarter panel's off. We're gonna get all this removed and start dialing this piece out into its original spec. Start measuring the new quarter panel on, seeing how it fits. Let's keep working. Alright guys, so we got a lot of work done. As you guys can see, we removed the quarter skin, we removed all the existing metal, everything from the quarter panel that I needed to remove. Everything is off, but we still have to remove this piece right over here. It is pretty mangled from the accident, and I want that piece to be looking all OEM, and it came with the new quarter skin. So we're gonna have to pull this off tomorrow, but as for today, we're done for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Next day here, and we're gonna continue working to get this section out and start prepping the new quarter panel to put onto the car. Let's go. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this episode. We got a whole ton of work done. As you guys can see, the quarter panel is on the car, but it is nowhere near being complete. We still have a lot of work in this section over here. I didn't realize how much damage there was actually, so I'm gonna extend this. So I'm going to extend this series by 1 episode and repair this whole section right over here. And in the next episode, we're going to get the quarter panel on for good, measure out all the gaps, the tail light socket, and make sure to get this perfect. If you guys like my videos, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications on. And comment down below, let me know how I did and what you guys think of this project so far. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.